Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are stuck in the house as we're going to be for the next, I don't know how long. 2020 is canceled, as you guys can see from my sign. Just some humor to get us through. I am bored at home. I am not doing anything. It is Saturday. It is like 7:30 p.m. and I was literally just playing Sims all day. And I decided, you know what, maybe let's take a little bit of a break from Sims and computer games and let's do a video. So I quickly put on my eyebrows using the NYX. This is the Professional Makeup Precision Brow Pencil in the color Blonde. So I quickly did my brows off camera and now I'm really excited that I have a new product to try. So this is the Emerald Moon palette by the brand Lunarskies Cosmetics. So I actually found them on Twitter. I think one of my friends, Morgan, I think she tagged me in them on Twitter and was like, oh my god, you have to check out this brand, they're so cool. And so this is the palette that I want to play with today. So it is so gorgeous. I mean, how adorable is this palette? It matches my nails and it is so festive. I actually think I got this palette on St. Patrick's Day, so that's why I was feeling the green vibes, and that's really shimmery kind of glitter one is just calling my freaking name. So being as this is a brand new company in my experience to me, I don't know how their shadows are going to perform. I don't know what to expect other than I really like the colors. And there is a protector on the mirror. Let's peel that off. It's really on there. Oh yeah. Oh, beautiful. So it's a really gorgeous palette. It was only, I'll have to check out my phone and put the retail price here, but it wasn't very expensive. I think it was about $20. Very inexpensive, and it comes with a mirror, which is really amazing. I'm really excited to play with these shadows just because they are right up my alley for color. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. I have no idea what kind of look I want to create today though, so I am going to quickly go and actually no, I have all my brushes ready. I am ready to go today. Look at me. So I don't know what kind of look I want to do, but I'm going to quickly zoom you guys in. All right, now that you are zoomed in and you can see all of my pores, I am excited to play with this palette. I don't know what kind of look I want to do. Of course, I'm wearing my like lime green sweater, so it should match this color pretty well. I think I'm going to go in with that color. So that is the color Paris, and I'm going to put Paris all into my crease. So taking my blender brush from Luxie, I'm going to dip into the shadow. So there is quite a bit of kick up in the pan, so I don't know if you guys can see, but there is quite a bit. So if you don't like kick up, then there's that, but if you don't care, like me, then you don't care. The one thing that I did forget to do, oh my god, I haven't filmed in a while, so I'm a little rusty. I'm going to prime my eyeballs with the Jeffree Star concealer in C2. All right, now that that is all ready to go, we can go back into it. So there is there is a lot of kick up. So I'm hoping that means they are really pigmented. I'm not going to tap it off. I'm just gonna go in right onto my crease and see what the color pigmentation is like. So the pigmentation is okay. It's not the best, but it's not horrible. I am going to build up this color quite a bit in my crease and see if we can get a stronger color. But this is a very light color, so let's see. Okay, so I went in quite a few times and I got a little bit of color pigmentation up. This is a very pastel color, so honestly, it is pretty pigmented for the color choice that I used. So now I'm gonna go into Veronese, is that how you say that? And I'm going to put this color right over top of that just because I want a little bit more of a darker green. Okay, so adding that second color really helped. It blended out really nicely and it is very pigmented. So I am really liking this. So now, what do we want to do? We have all of these really gorgeous colors. I think I want to use this reflection color just because it's a really pretty green, almost shamrock color, and it's just really pretty. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly cut my crease. Well, not really cut my crease. I'm just going to kind of cut out the center of my eyelid as I usually do because I love halos so much. I hope you guys aren't bored of halos because I'm not. So I'm just going to quickly cut out the center of my lid. Actually, you know what? Let's just go for a full cut crease today. Let's do it. All right, I've got the lid cut out. Now I don't know what colors I want to do. I think I want to go in with that reflection color, and I definitely want to see how the pressed glitter works, or maybe even that calm color, because there's a shimmer in there that's really, really gorgeous. Not sure. Okay, so I think I'm going to go into, I think I'm going to put the reflection color on the inner and outer corner. So I'm going to tap into reflection, and there isn't as much kick up as there was with the Paris color. So that's good. And there's hair on my brush. Gross. I'm going to put that on my outer corner. That is a really gorgeous color, wow. I am loving how pigmented it is. I'm really hoping that it blends well into Veronese, is that how you say that? So now I'm gonna go in with my blender brush and a little bit of Veronese and just blend those colors together. Yeah, it blends fairly good, not bad. So now I'm just gonna keep building up this color on the outer corner. That's really pretty. So now on the inner corner, I don't know what I want to do. I think maybe I'll use the sparkle color another day, just because I don't really want to have glitter on my face right now. So I'm just going to continue to build up that green color. My brush is starting to come apart, and that makes me so sad. These brushes are fairly old, but still. It makes me sad when they get loose. So I'm just going to continue to build up the reflection color across my lid. And then instead of doing a halo today, I know we're so used to doing halos, I am gonna find my setting spray that I put over her for some silly reason. I'm almost out. Oh my god, I've had this for like a year though, so it's pretty good actually. So I'm gonna go in with a packer side of my brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Calm, which is this really pretty like shimmer color. It looks absolutely gorgeous in the pan. And I'm gonna coat my brush in it, got lots on my brush, and I'm gonna spray it with my all-nighter setting spray, and then I'm gonna put that right across the lid. That, oh, holy crap! Look at that freaking color and pigmentation and shimmer. Holy crap, I am obsessed. That looks amazing. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. This is proof right here in the pudding that you don't need to spend a freaking arm and a leg to get good eyeshadow. Holy shit. And that's with the brush. Okay guys, I am shook. That is so freaking gorgeous. So I'm just going to blend it into the deeper green that we laid down. And then I'm gonna go into Reflection, which is that deeper, darker green. And I'm just going to kind of blend the edges together. And now I'm gonna go into Veronese and just build up the crease color just a little bit more. These blend together so nicely. I am very impressed. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit more of Reflection and just really build up that outer corner. I am so shook by that shimmer color that we put right on the inner corner. Wow. Wow, that was unexpected. I mean, not to say that I expected it to be bad or anything, I just didn't expect it to be that freaking good. Holy crap, I am so impressed. Wow. Okay, so as you guys can tell, clearly I love this palette. This is so pretty. It blended so nicely. This is a very, very like cookie cutter kind of easy look to do, so it's not exactly the hardest tutorial that I'm demonstrating right now, but I'm really impressed. So I'm gonna quickly go do the other side. I'm gonna do my full face of makeup because I'm not using any new products, and I will be right back to continue the eyes with you guys and talk about this palette. All right, so I have done the other eye, and I put some lashes on and I did some liner. This eyeliner is a little bit wonky, so it is what it is. I can never get both of my eyeliners to look like symmetrical or even remotely good. So Still learning. So we are going to finish up the under eyes. So I'm gonna go in with a Luxie Mini Tapered brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Peace, which is this turquoise color that's right in the center, and I'm going to sweep that all underneath the eyes, the waterline. And now on my blender brush, I'm gonna go into the color Veronese, whatever, this lime green one right here, and I'm just going to bring that down across my lashes, my lash line again. Just a little bit blown out fashion so it matches the top and it looks really pretty. So now I'm gonna quickly throw on some mascara. So this is the Big Ego by Tarte, and you guys know from my past videos that I've talked about that I'm not a fan of this mascara. I think there is way better mascaras on the marketplace that you guys can get that aren't this expensive and work better. Now going in with the Smooth Shadow Elizabeth Mott in the color Raven, I'm just going to quickly waterline. I would say for the waterline, this isn't the best pencil to use just because it is a creamy kind of eye pencil, so it is harder for it to stick to the waterline. But that being said, whatever. So the last thing that I want to do is I want to go in with a little bit of highlight. So there isn't really a highlight shade in this palette, so I'm going to go in using the Jaclyn Hill or Jaclyn Cosmetics Extra, and I'm just going to quickly do my brow bone. And this is the finished eye look. So I think it turned out really pretty. I'm really loving this palette. I absolutely love the way these colors blended together. I am obsessed with that shimmer shade. I wish there was more shimmers in this palette. The Veronese color has a little bit of a sparkle to it, but nothing even close to that shimmer. That shimmer is so freaking gorgeous. I'm really excited to try out this color as well. I just didn't want to use glitter today, so that's why I didn't. But I am really loving this eye look. I was thinking about pairing it with my Venus Fly Trap color. So I think I'm going to throw it on and see what it looks like and see if we really want to be living the green life today. So that is one coat of the Venus Flytrap, and let's go in with a second, just cause make it a little bit less sheer. And this is the finished eye look. So holy crap, I am bright. I am very green today, and I am loving it. This would have been perfect for, I think that's a little bit dark. This would have been perfect for St. Patrick's Day if you guys did celebrate in your houses this year because everybody was kind of stuck at home. But I think this is such a cool look. I am obsessed with this palette. I definitely will be doing more looks with it in the future. I really am impressed with how good these blended together and the color payoff and just everything. This palette was so good for being so inexpensive. So the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to set my face using the All Nighter setting spray. Now my face is set and ready to stay home and play Sims. But I mean, whatever. This was really fun and I'm glad that I did it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know we kind of took a little bit of a break for a little while because we had some personal health issues going on aside from COVID-19, and now COVID-19 is happening and all of the cities are in an emergency, state of emergency, and everybody's staying at home and we're all kind of in self-isolation, and it's really scary, but we're gonna make the best of it and try to do more tutorials and more videos and more fun videos just to keep things normal and keep things in the swing of things and going. And I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are not going bored out of your mind, stuck at home, because I know a lot of people don't like it. A lot of people are extroverted like me and they don't like being at home, and it kind of sucks. But I hope you guys enjoy my new painting in my background. This is my dog, my friend Connor. You guys know Connor painted it for me because he is amazing. And I hope you guys just enjoyed this video. It's just a really fun tutorial, and if you guys do decide to recreate this look, please tag me please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see you guys try to recreate this. This is such a really easy eye look. I'm sure it's been done 100 million freaking times, but I didn't follow a tutorial. I just kind of did it. So if you guys do decide to recreate it off of this video, please tag me. My social medias are all listed down below, but I'll also put them on the screen. They are twistedglam_ and I believe twistedglam_ again on Twitter. So yeah. Pretty easy. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!